I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 4 that has been taken from exercise 5.2, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, differentiate the function sec in bracket tan under root x with respect to x. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution. Here you can see the given function sec tan under root x. The given function consists of three different functions sec tan under root x. The given function is the composite of different functions. That's why here I shall write let the function y equal to sec in bracket tan under root x bracket close. So here the given function y equal to sec tan under root x. Again I shall write here let under root x equal to v. Imply that under root x can be written as x raised to power 1 over 2 equal to v. Now dwrt x. dwrt x means differentiating with respect to x. So here I shall get implied that 1 over 2 x raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1 equal to d over dx. Here I shall write v. So comes out to be here, you will get here 1 over 2 dot x raised to power minus 1 over 2 equal to dv over dx. Now here you will get implied that 1 over 2 this x raised to power minus 1 over 2 will become here x over minus 1 over 2 equal to dv over dx comes out to be here 1 over 2. This x raised to power minus 1 over 2 can be written as under root x. Here you can write this thing in bracket, comes out to be dv over dx. This thing you have got. Now again I shall do. Here you can see under root x. Under root x can be written as v. So here if I shall write tan under root x equal to t, let this one. Then here I shall write implied that tan in place of under root x I shall write v equal to d over dx d over dv. I shall find here dv or this one will come t. So here I shall write very well, this thing will be written t. Now dwrt dwrt v, differentiating this function with respect to v. So here we will get d over dv in bracket tan v comes out to d over dv t, implies that d over dv dot tan v comes out to here sec square v. So here I shall write sec square v equal to dt over dv. So here you will get sec square, in place of v I shall write under root x equal to dt over dv. This thing will be written dt over dv. Now again here I shall write then y equal to sec this thing tan under root x. So in place of I shall write here tan t sec t. I shall write here sec t. So this will become sec t. Then y equal to sec, in place of tan under root x, in place of tan under root x I can write here t. So it will become y is equal to sec t. So here dwrt t, differentiating this function with respect to t. So I shall get here d over dt y equal to d over dt in bracket sec t comes out to here dy over dt equal to here d over dt dot sec t. You will get here sec t dot tan t. So you have got dy over dt equal to sec t dot tan t. So in place of t, d over dt comes out to here sec, in place of t I shall write sec, in place of t I shall write tan under root x dot tan in bracket tan under root x, it will become. So dy over dt equal to sec in bracket tan under root x dot tan under root x. This thing we have got. Now what we'll do here? Now this thing will be combined together. And now I shall write here now d over dx equal to dy over dt dt over dv into dv over dx. Check this one. dy over dt, you have got this one. dt over dv, dt over dv, you have got where? This thing you can write dv over dx, here you have got dt over dv. So this thing I shall replace. This is chain rule. Here I shall write chain rule. So put the value here, you will get d over dx. This is implied that equal to, in place of dy over dt, I shall write this one. So I shall write here sec tan under root x dot tan under root x dot sec tan under root x dot tan under root x dt over dv I shall write here sec square under root x dot dt over dv and here multiply to dv over dx I shall put here 1 over 2 bracket में under root x. This thing will be written. Now repeat once again. Now I shall write here dy over dx is equal to 1 over 2 under root x dot sec tan under root x dot tan under root x dot sec square in bracket under root x. This will be the correct answer of this question. So let us check the answer whether it is correct or not. The answer I have got here dy over dx is equal to 1 over 2 under root x dot sec tan under root x dot tan under root x dot sec square under root x. So this is the correct answer you have got here. So now at last I shall say this is the proper explanation and solution of question number 4 that has been taken from exercise 5.2 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. So everything here I have explained in detail by taking the functions, each function separately, by taking each function separately. Here first of all the core function I have taken under root x. The under root x equal to v I have let dwrtx I have got here this one and middle function I have let tan under root x equal to t. So with the help of this one dwrtv I have got dt over dv equal to sec square under root x and initial function I have got y equal to sec t, it will become dwrtt. So here I have got dy over dt equal to sec tan under root x dot tan under root x, this thing that. Now this term have been compiled here by applying chain rule this way. dt here in numerator, dt is there in denominator, both will be cancelled out. Here dv in numerator and here dv in denominator will be cancelled out. To get the final result dy over dx, this thing we have got. So this will be the correct answer you have got here of question number 4 exercise 5.2. Okay guys, thanks.